Previously, we saw what happens to an x1 machine when x equals 10. But what happens when x equals 2? Well, we can substitute 2 for x and find out. The machines are now called 2-1 machines and have the values 1, 2, 4, 8, etc. We can also do the same for the numerator, and it would equal 28. The denominator would equal 4. The answer would equal 7. Indeed, 28 divided by 4 does equal 7. When we look closer, we see 2 dots in the ones place of the denominator. That equals 2. However, right next to it, we have a box that also signifies 2. So we could just as easily remove the 2 dots in the ones place and replace it with 1 dot in the twos place. But now we have 2 2's, which equals 4. So we can add another box to the left, remove the 2 dots, and replace them with 1 dot to the left. As a matter of fact, anytime we see 2 dots in a box in a 2-1 machine, we can make it into 1 dot to the left. This is why we write the name of a 2-1 machine like this, with an arrow pointing from the 2 to the 1. You can think of this as reminding us that whenever you have 2 dots in a box, it really should be 1 dot in the box to the left. When we teach this to kids, we like to say that the 2 dots exploded and was replaced by 1 to the left. We can keep doing this to simplify the 2-1 machines. The simplified form, or the machines with the least number of dots, would look like this. If this looks familiar to you, it might be because this is exactly how computers store numbers. This is the binary representation of a number. The 10-1 machine is the decimal representation of a number. If you have 10 dots in a box for a 10-1 machine, those can all be replaced by 1 dot to the left. This is how humans represent numbers. We could do the same for 3-1 machines and 12-1 machines and so on. There is a full curriculum of exploding dots that can be taught to young kids, high school students, and adults as well. It is a very visual way of learning concepts as easy as addition to polynomial division and even trigonometry. There are many ways to do math. As we learn more and more ways, we can then decide which way is the easiest for us to use for a given problem. I hope you enjoyed this new and visual way of looking at numbers and algebra.